Every month passes. But are your goals becoming reality? Is your life actually changing, or are you just surviving? If not, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're too visible. The more people see your life, the more chances they have to judge, doubt, and slow you down. So today, we go dark. Not to escape life, but to own it. These are the 3 silent rules to transform in the shadows and rebuild your life from the inside out. Follow them, and you won't just improve. You'll become unrecognizable. Fire Rule 1. Disappear with discipline. Disappearing isn't vanishing off the grid. It's removing distractions, killing noise, and making you versus you the only game that matters. Start by shutting your mouth. Every time you talk about your dreams, you leak power. Your goals don't need an audience. They need execution. Don't update people. Don't post your progress. Don't ask for applause. Silence is sacred, and silence is where your real power begins. Ask yourself, what version of me must I destroy? What version do I need to build? After 6 months, what will I be proud to point at and say, I did that? Write it. Hide it. Obsess over it. Brain Rule 2. Crush it in the shadows. This is where you bleed. This is where you break. And this is where you win. You will feel pain. You will doubt yourself. But don't you dare run to anyone for comfort. Cry alone. Sweat alone. Suffer alone. Because pain is the entry fee for power. Cliff Young, a 61-year-old farmer, beat world-class athletes in an 875 kilometers race. Why? Not because he was stronger. Because he didn't stop. He didn't know he was supposed to rest. He just kept moving in silence. And broke the record. That's what shadow work looks like. High Voltage Rule 3. Build a holistic, unbreakable system. A mindset is only useful if you know what to do with it. So build a system that includes these 3 habits. Small Blue Diamond 1. Feed your mind. Delete the trash, Instagram, games, distractions. Instead, consume content that rewires your brain. Books, podcasts, deep ideas, growth content. Small Blue Diamond 2. Empty your mind. Your brain needs space to grow. Start journaling your hours. Every hour from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Track what you did. Review it nightly. Face the truth of how you spend your life and improve it. Small Blue Diamond 3. Use your mind. Know what your goal is and give it your best hours daily. 2 hours. 4 hours. 6 hours of deep, focused work. Build skills. Train hard. Execute relentlessly. Brain reprogram your brain. You're not just building discipline. You're rewriting who you are. This will feel unnatural at first, but eventually you'll start to love the quiet. Love the pain. Love the darkness. Why? Because while they party and post, you're becoming a weapon and arrow the endgame. In 6 months, you won't even want to reappear. Not because you're hiding, but because you've evolved into someone who doesn't need validation. You don't need likes. You don't need noise. You're at peace in the shadows, and your results will speak for themselves. Loudspeaker final call to action. If you're ready to disappear, rebuild, and crush your goals in silence, like this video, subscribe, and commit today. The next 6 months can break you, or they can build you into someone no one recognizes, not even yours.